I have a blue backpack. I have a fluffy teddy bear. I have a green crayon. I have a shiny coin. I have a big smile. I have a small toy car. I have a red ball. I have a new book. I have a tasty apple. I have a cozy blanket. I have a playful puppy. I have a yellow hat. I have a bouncy ball. I have a purple pencil. I have a warm jacket. I have a little sister. I have a shiny key. I have a funny joke. I have a big family. I have a fast bicycle. I have a sleepy cat. I have a tasty cookie. I have a loud laugh. I have a favorite game. I have a small garden. I have a bright idea. I have a happy song. I have a big hug. I have a shiny star. I have a colorful kite. I have a friendly smile. I have a quiet room. I have a fast airplane. I have a cozy pillow. I have a special friend.